Good morning, Doral Dragons. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for 30 seconds of silence. Please join us in reciting the school motto.
We are Doral. We live by striving to be the best we can be. We learn by working hard and always doing our best. We love by caring for others. We leave a legacy by sharing our school with others and trying to make a difference in the world.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kat. Today is September 29th. Here's what's happening at Saddle. Lunch today is pancake, turkey, sausage links, seasoned potatoes, baby carrots, pear, white milk, and chocolate milk. Saddle clubs. Gardening club meeting on Thursday from 3:45 to 4:45 in room 105 with Miss Emiliano and Ms. Chavez. Orff Club, singers and dancers only, will be meeting with this Wednesday and Thursday in Mrs. Burgess' room 128 from 7:30 a.m. till 8:30 a.m. Rise and shine and be on time. Remember to go to the Doral website to pay your fee. Calling all 6th through 8th grade girls. Are you interested in joining the cheer team? Join Miss Page and Mrs. Marrujo next Friday, September 30th in room 103 at 4 p.m. You must attend this meeting in order to be part of the 2022-2023 cheer team. Sports updates. Girls volleyball, junior varsity and varsity combined. Practice is after school today from 4 to 5:15 p.m. on the kindergarten playground. Varsity football practice is after school from 2:50 to 4:30. Meet Mr. Walsh outside with some water and your equipment ready to go. School updates. A reminder to all students from admin, phones are not allowed during school hours. Per the school rules, phones should be turned off and in backpacks or phone sleeves in each class. Let's step up and do the right thing. Have a great day, Dragons!